The NovaSeqX series of systems is the newest and most powerful of Illumina next-generation sequencers. The series offers two instruments, the NovaSeqX Plus with dual flow cell configuration and the NovaSeqX with single flow cell configuration. Let's meet the NovaSeqX Plus. You may choose to set up your run in the cloud or on instrument by navigating the 4K touchscreen or using the hidden keyboard and touchpad. You may also include an analysis step during your run planning, using onboard Dragon or cloud applications, or use your own analysis pipeline. If using onboard Dragon, you may select several different analyses per flow cell, including BCL to FastQ conversion, and application-specific analyses for whole genome sequencing, whole exome sequencing, and RNA sequencing. After setting up your run, unbox your reagent kit. We have reformulated more than a dozen of our reagents to enable shipping with no dry ice and no ice packs, so you can change the world while minimizing your impact to the environment. Because your reagent kit arrives at room temperature, it's ready to use immediately. If you'd like to start your run at a later time, follow the proper storage conditions listed on each component. Next, dispense your prepped libraries into each tube of the library tube strip after they have been neutralized and diluted with the provided preload buffer. Your libraries will be automatically loaded into each lane of the flow cell once the sequencing run begins. The NovaSeqX series makes the most of every sample, requiring 4 times less library input than NovaSeq 6000's onboard workflow. Snap your filled library tube strip and the LIO insert into the reagent cartridge. The LIO insert contains lyophilized reagents that will be reconstituted on instrument. After inserting the loaded library tube strip and LIO insert into the reagent cartridge, you are now ready to load your consumables. The status bar and drawers will light up to indicate where you should interact with the instrument. Follow the prompts to easily empty the waste from the prior run and load your preloaded reagent cartridge, buffer cartridge, and flow cell. With up to 8 individually addressable lanes per flow cell and multiple output and read length options, the NovaSeqX series scales with you, from pilot projects to population-scale sequencing. The combination of hyper-resolution optics, blue-green lasers, and ultra-high-density flow cells enables you to sequence deeper at our lowest price per sample yet. Throughout loading, the instrument verifies that all RFID-encoded reagents are compatible and have been loaded properly, minimizing the chance of user error. After a few minutes, the pre-run checks will complete and automatically initiate the run. The NovaSeqX series harnesses the accuracy, speed, and robustness of our latest sequencing by synthesis chemistry, X-Leap SBS chemistry. The NovaSeqX Plus system allows you to run 1 or 2 flow cells simultaneously or staggered from one another. The NovaSeqX system runs 1 flow cell at a time and is fully upgradable to the NovaSeqX Plus system. With the Dragon Bio IT platform and with push-button access to variant calling accuracy, you can seamlessly transition from sample to result in less time. Monitor the progress of your sequencing run and view detailed performance metrics from the instrument or via the cloud, including anticipated time of completion. If you have opted for onboard Dragon analysis, you may view your Dragon report on instrument. Following completion of your run, cartridges can be easily disassembled and disposed of according to your local guidelines. Access exceptional throughput and accuracy to perform larger studies, more ambitious projects, and more data-intensive methods. You are ready to change the world. With the NovaSeqX series, you can.